Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Razorpay account, API keys, and a secure server. First actionable step: install the SDK on your server and save key ID plus key secret in environment variables. Once done, initialize the Razorpay client in your backend so you can create orders. This avoids exposing secrets in the front end. Make sure to enable webhook secret now so you can verify events later and prevent tampering while you implement payment flows. You now create an order on the server using the initialized client. Send amount, currency, and receipt metadata. Once the order is returned, pass order ID to the front end and configure checkout options, prefill customer info, theme, and the handler callback. Then render the checkout modal and submit payment details. After the modal completes, the handler gives you payment ID and signature. You must send these back to the server for verification, so you confirm payment authenticity before fulfilling orders. You finish by verifying the payment signature on your server to confirm integrity, compute HMAC with your key secret, and compare. Next, register webhooks in the dashboard and validate incoming events using the webhook secret so you can handle asynchronous statuses like refunds or disputes. Finally, log transactions, update order status, and deploy. If something goes wrong, check webhook signatures, API key pair, and server clocks. Mismatched secrets or time drift are the most common causes of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.